Alright, so y'all seen my little video, my last one and the first one of this series. That was just basically doing a quick little route to go to Domino's. And that was pretty simple. So now we're going to go into some other stuff on the Garmin Tread. And this is the 8-inch Overland Edition. So one of the things you got to do when you come into this thing is you need to set it up for your vehicle. And I will show you that real quick. We'll go to the next page. And down here it says Vehicle. Click on this. You're going to get this warning, don't do this stuff while you're driving, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so now in here you have your vehicle set up. Alright, so we'll do one just to, let's see if I can, oh, let me go back. There we go. Let's see if we can get in here. Yeah, we'll delete one and we'll come back in here and put one back in. Okay, now that I got that done, now y'all seen how to delete one. Alright, so we're going to go in here and set one up. So basically this is my truck. I call it the Frontier for Exploring the Outdoors, XTO. And you put in your measurements of your width and all that stuff, your max speed that you normally drive. This is showing my average speed on trails is around 15 miles an hour. These up here are little things that you got to program too. But we're going to go ahead and set one up. So let's see. We'll come in here and add one. So say we're going to do you get these little things to choose, and you can choose like trucks and stuff with a trailer. So we'll come in here and we'll choose, full-size vehicle, off-road capable or on-road. We're going to choose off-road, and then it lets you put in like all your stuff. Is it four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, high ground clearance, street legal use? What is the width of it? All that stuff, and you can change all this stuff. So you can come in here and adjust it. You can say like 8 foot 3 inches. Bam. Now you got 8 foot 3 inches. And then you hit next at the bottom. And this is part of that adventure mapping thing. If you remember on the first video, I said we'll get into the adventure mapping more. But this is part of that. So these are the different levels of the adventure map. So you got 1 through 4. So 1 is your fastest route, mostly pretty much all paved roads. 2 is your less paved roads. 3 is your more unpaved roads and some curves and hills. And 4 is your most adventurous route. And you can set it to whatever you want. So we'll just do number 2. And it's going to adjust your GPS navigation. So if you're wanting to do all roads the fastest way there, you'll have to go back in and change that to a 1. And pretty much you'll have everything set up. And then like I said, like I named that one up there, the Frontier XTO. You can do that with these two. And you click on that, and you hit rename. And you can change the name to whatever you want. We'll just do it like this. Test, done. Back out. Now that one down there, his name is Test. And that's how you set up your vehicle options. And like I said, you've seen all the little pictures. Well, they also have them for side-by-side. So I got my side-by-side in here, and I got it set for number 3. And then I have my truck and trailer set up. So when I'm hauling my travel trailer, I got the weight, the trailer weight, which my trailer is actually lighter than that. I believe that was the lightest they had in here. And then I got the length and everything of everything. So, and I have the adventure route on 1, and I have 1 propane tank on there. So it kind of tailors the map to what you're doing, which is kind of cool. So we'll go back in here one more time, delete this option. Here we go. We're back to this. So that's how you get your vehicle set up with the Garmin Tread.